Welcome back, everybody, to Funky Star TV News Time. Today, now about the Sultan of Sokoto. Now, him we go talk about. You know, in this platform, we they call the man the Satan of Sokoto. Remember, say now the man, now they lead all the whole Janjaweed and all the whole Alamajiris and the whole terrorists in the north. So, the man come out, they claim say, you know, this topic about the some of our brothers and sisters back home, Wednesday they talk about this one Nigeria of a thing. You know, in Nigeria, it gets some group of people when they claim say, and then gets everything in Nigeria, like this Sultan of Sokoto, aka the Satan of Sokoto. So somebody like Showore, now him they make this video for. Somebody like Falana them. All those men, when we say they continue to talk about one Nigeria. Nigeria is not one. And we know the reason why we talk about all these things. Say Nigeria not be one, and it can never be one, and it can never work, no matter whoever, you know, claims as Nigerian president in that country. Whether na APC, PDP, AAC, name it. In fact, for Nigeria to be in place, to be one, it will take hundreds of thousands of years to come. Hundreds of thousands of years to come. The insecurity problem now not be the thing we will talk about. We go talk about the greed and the reason why the northern people continue to clench or to preach fake unity and fake one Nigeria. Now, one or two reasons. Number one, now about the oil in Delta region and Biafra land. Number two, now Islamization. That is greed to control. Okay? Greed and to control. So, you know, a country where somebody, one person go own like 23 oil wells in the one particular region, and this person not come from that region. It happens that this so-called Satan of Sokoto come from the north, and where in get these 23 oil wells na Niger Delta. Check it out, brother. One person. So if Sultan of Sokoto, they claim say him no want to make Nigeria break up, and him no go allow anybody in Nigeria to break up Nigeria because him get 23 oil wells in a particular region when be Niger Delta. This man come from Sokoto. Nothing concern the man with Delta. Nothing concern the man with Biafran land. But in own, not be say buy am, ladies, he not buy am. He not buy am. In own 23 oil wells. So in the claim say he no go allow anyone, anybody, like say na God. Today we go let them know say he not be God of Nigeria. He not be God of anybody. Now only in house and in family in the feet. You cannot come out and begin to claim that you cannot allow Nigeria to break up because you own 23 oil well when not come from the northern part of Nigeria. So I want to tell Mr. Sowore and Mr. Falana and their group, remember say 2019 when Sowore come out as AAC presidential candidates, we follow Sowore campaign based on say we see the honesty in him, particularly me when before TD. I see say Sowore an honest person. That is why I follow join people to support Sowore in 2023 election. But since when they call for revolution and him be the person when introduce that revolution now slogan in Nigeria, we never see Sowore again after that last arrest. The only time we see Sowore now recently now when they go do their AAC something where they do recently when in with Falana and all of them they talk. And then now they cannot have been chanting this revolution for people to stand in one place to take it back from these people when they force this one Nigeria. It happens that Sowore himself now align himself with the same agenda of one Nigeria when he know say it not make any sense. I didn't know say Buhari not did there. I didn't know say nothing they happen in one Nigeria. I didn't know say one Nigeria cannot function. So the issue of these northern people, now him make me I sheep in Sowore matter, but I go still make Sowore video differently about this particular revolution now when him introduce it to Nigerian people, and now it can't be like say in the step backward, in not the talk, in not the yarn, nothing again. So we go talk about that. So Sowore see one Nigeria when they preach that one Nigeria when some group of people go to oppress some group of people, as in look at the Sultan, the Sultan of Sokoto, they claim say in get 23 oil wells in Niger Delta alone. We don't know how many Gapashe will get. We don't know how many Dangote they go get. We don't know how many Babangida they go get. We don't know how many when T.Y. Danjuma they go get. We don't know how many when Abdulsalam Abubakar go get. We don't know how many the Buhari family get. We don't know how many all these people get. All in Niger Delta and Biafran land. No single oil well in the north. None. So this is the reason why the northern people, they no one leave us alone. But we must break the bonds. So if this kind of one Nigeria, now one Nigeria, when somebody like Sowore they support, then there is something inside. There is something inside. If this kind of one Nigeria, now one Nigeria, somebody like Sam Falana them won't support, then there is something inside. Where somebody from the north go come out, they claim say he get 23 oil well. So that is the reason why they want one Nigeria. So it then means if oil not there in the Delta region or in Niger Delta area or in the Biafran land, they no go allow the one Nigeria. That is what they are trying to tell you in the actual sense. That is why this criminal town of Sokoto they try to tell Nigerian people say if oil not the Niger Delta or oil not the Biafran land, we no go associate with you guys, so we no go be one Nigeria. So but as far as say una get oil, we must be one Nigeria. We must be the same people. We must live together. But if you not there, we not get anything to do with una. You see, this is the reason why I bring in Sowore issue. So in the actual sense, if we not get oil, Satan or Sokoto no will come talk this thing. They don't go talk about one Nigeria. Okay? For those of una when we say una continue to clamor for one Nigeria, we won't make it clear today, once and for all, say now because of oil, make the northerners want one Nigeria. So if there is no oil, we are nobody. Satan of Sokoto don't make it clear now to everybody. Say, look, if oil not there, we go divide quickly. But as far as say me, I get 23 oil wells. Ladies and gentlemen, 23 oil wells. Now him one person get. So we no go divide because my oil well, therefore Niger Delta, where me I not come from. So these people, they are enriching themselves with things that they didn't work for. Then they enrich themselves and their family. They enslave Nigerian people, oppress Nigerian people, intimidate Nigerian people with things when we say they not get, not be their own thing, not be their own property. They not come from that particular region. These are the reasons why that one Nigeria will never ever work. Satan of Sokoto own his own opinion. Anybody when they claim, because we don't see in the news a lot of people from APC, most especially and the north, then they always claim say, now one Nigeria we don't want division. That is people when they use all of us together. Because of waiting all of them they gain, not because of you and I. Not be say it gets one good thing whether they do for the masses just for themselves, because then they enjoy, because then they loot you, because then they oppress you. Now our money won't come from Delta region, money won't come from Biafran land. Now him these northern Fulani criminals and terrorists, they terrorize us. They oppress us. Now all these things when Mazin they cannot see, when make the man the nyan the way when the nyan. Now him make and say no, without Biafra then there will be nothing. And we all support that. Make we read a little bit. Make it not be like say now we just they make up this Sultan of Sokoto thing. Now waiting the man to open his mouth the nyan to Nigerian people. See my oil well day 23. I say if this man get oil well, tell me 23 oil wells. Tell me waiting Garba Shehu go get. How you gonna use something when not belongs to you, when not be your own? They brag. So I won't let Showore know say one Nigeria will not work. I won't let Falana know say one Nigeria will not work. We don't want one Nigeria without these people. We don't want a Nigeria with all these Fulani criminals. We don't want that. So Showore video once again, I go personally come out to make another video on top of Showore head, so that we go analyze the reason why Showore they back off on all these things when they happen in Nigeria and still clamoring for one Nigeria. We go nyam the matter later, because the moves where they see in AAC is like Showore still back on this particular one Nigeria of a thing. I have 23 oil wells in Niger Delta. I won't allow anybody to divide Nigeria. Nobody can divide Nigeria no matter the diversity. Sultan of Sokoto, aka the Satan of Sokoto, insists we must focus on the management of our diversity and not desecrate it. There is no time for internal wrangling. It destroys our unity and nobody will benefit from it. The Sultan of Sokoto, Alhaji Mohammed Said Abubakar, on Monday said, Nigeria remains an indivisible country in spite of its cultural and ethnic diversity. He spoke during the 2019 edition of Ula Futa Festival in Akure, Ondo State, who, according to the Satan, who has 23 oil wells in Niger Delta as a gift given to him by past military head of state. Why they not give me when be Funky D? Why come be say na only you dey Nigeria when be Sultan of Sokoto, when the past military head of state will give you 23 oil well, only you, only one person. Then the whole Nigerian people empty-handed. And this oil well when they claim say they give you as a gift, not be from the northern region. If now from the northern region, when this oil well come from, where they give you, nobody go argue with you. But this oil wells, when they claim say they give you, none of them, not even single one, they in the north. All of them are in one particular region called Niger Delta. The same money when they make, when they make from the oil well, now they take, they oppress us. When we see, now we come from that Biafran land, because Niger Delta na still Biafran land. The whole Niger Delta na Biafran land. The whole Delta state na still Biafran land. The whole Delta state na still Biafran land. So the oil, when come from this particular region, now this man they claim say they give. Now come they ask and say, what about me when be from Kidi, when I come from Biafran land? Why are not they entitled to any of these oil wells? Why are not they entitled to any of these oil wells? You when come from Futajalon, a foreign personnel from the Sahel. So all these things now things we're supposed to talk about, because these northern people they take everywhere truly as their own. A situation where they will come, they say, oh, anyway they can live anywhere. When be from Kidi, I not fit just enter Sokoto. Tell the Sultan of Sokoto, make him stand up for me. Say, I won't take over in land. Or tell anybody in Sokoto there, say, stand up, this one is my land. Or go take over any property in Sokoto state. It's impossible. So why is it that these people, now they still get the right to tell people from Biafran land, say, this place, now our place, we must occupy them by force. Now I make now today with the yes say, even they don't give Olo residents. Order, make all of them quit Olo. Make all of them quit. Not only Olo, including Anambra State. Make them quit because they won't begin to kill our youth. They want to do, sporadic shooting. That is, shoot at sight. Now they claim say they don't give them order to shoot aside. So people from Olo have to relocate. Then they will go bring their Alamajiri people, dump them there. Remember, say all this is don't do them in so many states in the northern region. They go kill all the whole indigens, replace them with Alamajiri people. Now the same thing don't come to the southeastern part of Nigeria. When they give order, say make indigenous people, make they relocate to another city. I never see this kind of a thing. Wonder shall never end in that one Nigeria. The man continue. Some leaders have been using the diversity of the country to sow seeds of discord to their own benefits. He said that no meaningful development can be achieved in any country where insecurity and violence is the order of the day. Abubakar urged religious leaders in the country to refrain from using religious and ethnicity as avenue to cause a breach of peace and violence. He said, diversity is not the problem, it is management of our diversity that is the problem. Our diversity should enhance good economy and strengthen it, but it has to be tapped into and we must celebrate it. Also, we must focus on the management of our diversity and not decorate it. There is no time for internal wrangling. It destroys our unity and nobody will benefit from it. These people, I don't know where these people come from. Every time they keep on preaching this their fake unity because of this same oil, when they don't hijack, okay, they don't hijack everything in our region, in the Biafran land. So they preach unity, they don't know what they are talking about, they don't know anything about unity. They talk about the leaders, they are the leaders. They are the so-called leaders in Nigeria, and they keep misbehaving and misyanning, and they keep looting, siphoning our money to abroad, and now they are talking about, oh, we don't want to divide. Oh, I have 23 oil wells in Niger Delta. I don't know. But now waiting show what I want. Now the one Nigeria what I want with this one. So like I said before, I will come out sooner. I will come out to talk about Sowore and his one Nigeria. We know they talk say Sowore is a bad person. We know they talk. We don't accuse Sowore of anything. But the only thing when we talk about Sowore, we say him not be Sowore, they see all these things. At the same time, in the claim say he wants to become president in this kind of one Nigeria, where the northern people claim that they are the owner. Abi Sowore not see when they talk. Abi not here. Well, we could still talk about all these things. Alright. Though in don't come and say, okay, make we do revolution, then after the revolution, then maybe a new Nigeria will come up. But Sowore now is nowhere to be found. And they kind of have been talking about this revolution all the time. But nobody hears Sowore's voice. So ladies and gentlemen, if you know where indeed, make una come to our comment section. And also about this Sultan of Sokoto, when they claim say that I get one Nigeria. Now the man they claim saying get 23 oil wells, and so therefore it no go like or it no go want make anybody come out come divide that Nigeria. That one is his own personal opinion. Anyway, so ladies and gentlemen, subscribe. Bye.